Welcome dear students and friends to this channel. So today we will discuss where we left in the previous lecture. So we were discussing B trees. And also we saw that how to create B tree means insertion into the B tree. So now we will see in this lecture deletion from a B tree and also B plus tree. So those who want to learn the previous tree concept, so they can refer my previous videos. So let's start. So firstly we will start from deletion. So consider this following B tree given. This is the given tree and we are supposed to delete what? Delete 49, 11 and 78. So these key we are supposed to delete. So observe very carefully how the deletion is going on. So for the deletion purpose, it is also given that degree is what 5. So degrees. So this maximum and keys, maximum children and maximum keys. So these are required at the time of what? Insertion. These are required at the time of insertion. Okay, required at insertion. And what minimum condition? Why? Because minimum condition में क्या होने के chances है? Underflow होने के chances. Okay. तो यहाँ फिर क्या होगा? Required at deletion. So this is required at deletion. Observe very carefully. This is required at deletion. Okay. So in that ये हमें keep in mind that minimum children is what? 3 means any node is having minimum 3 children and minimum number of keys are 2. Okay. So 2 से अगर less होगा तो underflow हो जाएगा. So now observe carefully. Firstly 49 is deleted. So 49 कहाँ मिलेगा हमें? Root से हम search करते हैं left side. So then right of 40. So this is what? 49. So this gets deleted. So now no problem. Why no problem? Because minimum condition is what? That any node is minimum having what? 2 keys. So it is okay. Now next after this 49, this is over. Then 11. So at the time of 11 what? Search over here. So between 10 and 20. So between 10 and 20 11 is there. So delete this. Okay. So as soon you delete this, so there is no problem. Why? Because 2 elements are there. So minimum 2 keys must be there. Now next is 78. So what is 78? So if you delete 78, so search over here after what? 60 and between 70 and 80. So this is 78. Okay. So if you delete this 78, so here what happened? Here underflow. So underflow because minimum number of keys required are 2. So underflow. So take from immediate siblings. From immediate siblings. So what are immediate siblings? तो ये 61 और 63 तो है ना, this is not in the position to give because it is also having minimum number of keys. So who can give? So the है ना donor will be from the right side. So right side what will be the donor? So 90. So 90 will not directly come here. So 90 will go up and 80 will come below है ना. So according to this what will happen? What will be our final tree? So it is 50 and 60 and this left side is going to be what? 10, 20, 30 and what? 40. And after that in between is what? In between is 55 and 58. Observe very carefully. And after 60, so it is 70 and what? 80. So this is like this. And this is not 80. Now this 90 will go up and 80 will come down. So 80 will be in between, means 75 and 80 is here. And before that it is the same thing. So it is 61 and 63. And after that what will happen here? 100 and 200. So these keys are 100 and 200. Okay, observe very carefully. And here also it is what? 1 and 2. So there is no problem at all. 1 and 2. And in between what? So 11 has gone. So 15 and 18. So this node is having 15 and 18. And in between 20 and 30, so it is 25 and 28. Observe very carefully. 25 and 28. And in between what, 35 and 39. So this is same, 35 and 39. And after 40, so one element has gone. So what is that element? 41, 42, 49 has gone. So it is 41 and what, 42. Now left of 55 is what? Left of 55 is 53 and 54. So it is 53 and 54. And in between it is what? 56 and 57. So this is 56 and 57. Okay, so this is the case. And right of 58 is what? 59 and what? 60. So this. Okay, so now this is our resulting tree. Now if what happen if we want to what, delete 28. So 28. So in case of 28, where is 28? So I am going to delete 28. Observe very carefully. Now I am deleting what? Delete 28. So I am deleting 28. So where is 28? So you can search from the root. So 50 is left side, then between 20 and 30. So come here. So 28. So as soon you delete 28, so what will happen? So this is where underflow, है ना? Underflow. This node is in underflow. So this node is in underflow. So what will happen? So underflow के केस में it will take from immediate sibling. So what will happen in immediate sibling? So no one is there in the position to give. Okay, because all the siblings are having only two element. Means left sibling पे देखेंगे तो 15 and 18 two elements, and right sibling is also what, 35 and 39 two elements. So minimum elements are there. So they are not there in the position to give. So what will happen in that case? That 40, these what, these will get merged. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? That 30, okay, this 39. Why? Because this will merge from the left. So take from immediate sibling. Take from sibling. Okay, then if not available, तो फिर क्या करेंगे? देन मर्ज और कंबाइन. तो कंबाइन के केस में क्या होगा कि कंबाइन के केस में आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ दिस अगेन. सो 50 and 60 is going to be the what, root node. So root node is 50 and 60. Okay, and what is left? So left is here what, 10, 20, 30, and after 30 what happened? So we have deleted what, okay, so 13, it is what, 28. So 28 has gone. So in that case of 28, what, these will be combined. Okay, these will be combined. So what is the combination part here? So combine will happen like 10, 20, like this. So it is 10, 20, and after 20, दिस 30 कंबाइन हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, है ना? तो यहाँ फिर आएगा क्या, दिस रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज व्हाट, 40. सो ओवर हियर, so what is 40? 10, 20 and 40. Observe very carefully, it will be a self explanatory. 1 and 2 I will explain, don't worry. So it is 1 and 2. So this part is 1 comma 2, and in between is what? In between is 15 and 18. 15 and 18, so दो elements थे, इसीलिए वो, है ना, that is not in the position to give. Okay, now merged element आपके क्या आएंगे? So the merged element will be 25 and 30, 35 and 19. Okay, so it is 25, 30. So this is 25, 30 and 35 and 39. So it is 35 and 39. And after 40, so I think few elements are there, 41 and 42. So this is 41 and 42. 41 and 42. Okay, and in between, so what is there in between? So in between 55 and 58. So it is 55 and 58, and left of 55 is what? So left of 55 is 53, 54. 53, 54. It is a big tree, that's why it is time taking time. So 53, 54 and 56, 57, 56 and 57, and after 58, so what is there? 59 and 60. So this is 59 and what? 60. And what is right part? So right part is 79 and so this is what? 90. Okay, and left of 79 is what? 61, 63. So it is 61 and 63. Now these two parts also, between part is what? 75 and 80. So it is 75 and what? 80. And after 90, so it is 100 and 200. So this is what? 100 and 200. Now after that, what will happen? After that, okay, so this is the final current situation. Okay, now let us suppose if we want to delete what? Delete what? 40. Okay, so let us suppose if we are deleting what? 40. So let us delete what? 40. Delete 40. तो 40 के केस में क्या होगा? Observe very carefully. So in case of 40, so let us delete 40. So 40 is where this. Okay, so this gets deleted. Okay, now but what is the means situation over here कि यहाँ पे मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स 2 हो सकते हैं, सो इट इज ओके, बट ऊपर यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, यहाँ एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा हमें, ठीक है। सो इसका रिप्लेसमेंट क्या होगा? रिप्लेसमेंट विल बी इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर। सो रिप्लेसमेंट विल बी इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर। रिप्लेसमेंट क्या होगा? इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर। इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर। ओके, बट इफ नॉट अवेलेबल, if not available, then what? In order predecessor. In order predecessor. Okay, so what is the in order successor after that? 41 and 42. So there is no one to give because है ना, दो ही keys है यहाँ पे, that is minimum number of keys. So what will happen in that case कि in order predecessor क्या है? These elements means 25, 30, 35 and 39. So this 39 will be the replacement. So now what will be the answer after that? So if I draw it again, so it is 50 and 60. Observe very carefully. So right side is same. So what is right side? It is 79 and 90. And right is what? It is 100 and 200. And in between is what? 75 and 80. And left is what? It is 61 and 63. 61 and 63. In between, so in between 55 and 58. So left is 53 and 54. So it is 53 and 54. And in between 56 and 57. So 56 and 57. And right of 58 is what? 59 and what? 60. And left part is what? Now see this left part. So what is the left part? So left part mein 10 is there, then 20 is there. So what is in order predecessor? So it is 39. So 39 will come here. Okay, observe very carefully. So 39 will come here. Now what is the left? So left is again 1 and 2. In between is what? It is 15 and 18. So 15 and 18. 20 and 39 के बीच में क्या होगा? So the elements are same, 25, 30 and 35. And after that what? 41 and 42. Okay, so this is the case over here. Now let us suppose we want to delete what? 55. Okay, so here I'm deleting what? I want to delete what? 55. So what happen in case of 55? So just go from the root, search from the root. So 50 and 60 in between, so 55, this gets deleted. And now what will happen? Immediate sibling. So search for immediate sibling. So immediate sibling. immediate sibling. Okay, so what will happen? Immediate sibling means this will left will give, left will give. So left will give means this 39 will come here. So what will happen in that case? 39 and 60 will be there, and left side here the remaining what it is again what 10. 39 will go, so what is remaining over here? So it is remaining 10 and 20, and 39 goes here, so 50 will come down, so it is 50 and 58. So it is 50 and 58, and right side is what? Right side is 79 and what? 90. So right side there is no change, so it is 100 and 200 in between, so it is 75 and what? 80, and before that it is 61 and 63, 61 and 63. Okay, and left of this is what? 1 and 2. Observe very carefully. Between 10 and 20, so 15 and 18, so only two elements, 15 and 18. And after 20, so after 20 what? 25, 30 and 35. So it is what? 25, 30 and 35. Okay, and what about 41 and 42? So they will come left of this. 41 and 42. So it is 41 and 42. Okay, and 50 and 58 in between. So in between 50 and 58, so these many elements will be there. 53, 54, 56 and 57. 53, 54, 56 and 57. And right of 58 is what? So right of 58 is 59 and 60. Okay, so deletion is somewhat little bit different, some difficulties there, but anyhow take from the immediate sibling. Okay, if it is not there, then ultimate thing is what? Merging. Now let us suppose we want to delete what? uh, delete 35. Okay, so in case of 35 there is no problem. In case of 35 there is no problem. Why? Because it is not gone into underflow condition. Now if you delete what? 2, for example, if I am deleting 2, so deletion of 2, so what will happen in that case? So this node is in underflow right now, underflow. ओके, तो अंडरफ्लो केस में क्या होगा कि ये इमीडिएट सिबलिंग से है ना, ही विल आस्क फ्रॉम इमीडिएट सिबलिंग देन प्लीज मर्ज विथ मी और गिव एनी एलिमेंट. सो 15 एंड 18 देर है ना, तो वो कंडीशन में नहीं है देने की. सो देन व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस 10 विल बी मर्ज्ड. ओके, सो in that case let me draw a fresh diagram. So 39 and 60, so it is 39 and 60. Now observe very carefully, one interesting thing will be there. So it is what? 20, and left side is what? 1, 10, 15 and 18. 1, 10, 15 and 18, and right of 20 is what? Right of 20 is 25 and 30. 35 has gone. 25 and 30. So it is 25 and 30. Okay, and in between, so in between I think two elements, 50 and 58. So 50 and 58, and right side also there are two elements, 79 and 80, 90. 79 and 90. And before 50, 41 and 42, and between, so between four elements, 53, 54, 56 and 57. So 53, 54, 56 and 57. So there are four elements. And after this 58, so after this 58, 59 and 60. 59 and 60. Okay, and 61 and 63 here, 61 and 63, and between 75 and 80. So it is 75 and 80, and right hand side is what, I think 100 and 200. So this is already there. Okay, now observe very carefully. So यहाँ से 10 इसके साथ मर्ज हुआ, बट प्रॉब्लम कहाँ हुई कि यहाँ पे अंडरफ्लो हुआ, ठीक है. सो दिस प्लेस हैज गॉन, दिस नोड इज गॉन अंडरफ्लो. अंडरफ्लो हुआ, so this will again ask what from its immediate sibling. So immediate sibling is not there in the position, so है ना, तो immediate sibling is not there in the position, तो क्या होगा फिर इस केस में. So in that case, last option is what, merging. So this node and this node gets merged, so these two nodes get merged. So 39 already will be there, है ना. So what will happen finally, if you observe carefully, तो root node is what, 60 remaining, left side में merging हो जाएगा. So the merged elements are what, so the merged elements are 20 and 39 and 50 and 58. 39 will come down, okay, and right side is what, it is 79 and 90. So right is what, 100 and 200, and in between is what, 75 and 80. So it is 75 and 80, and left of this is what, 61 and 63. Observe very carefully. So why this is happening, क्योंकि ये 20th नोड जो है, 20th की वाला नोड, ये अंडरफ्लो में हुआ, तो इसने इमीडिएट सिबलिंग से, है ना, इट विल डिमांड. सो सिबलिंग जो है 50 एंड 58, तो वो भी इस पोजीशन में नहीं है कि वो दे पाए. देन व्हाट विल हैपन इन दैट केस, कि मर्जिंग इज द लास्ट ऑप्शन. सो मर्ज होगा तो 20 और ये साथ मर्ज में होगा, तो फिर ये 39 भी इसमें क्लब हो जाएगा. तो ये क्लब हुआ इसमें, ठीक है. अब इसमें लेफ्ट में क्या बचा, 1 10 15 एंड 18. सो इट इज व्हाट, 1 10 15 and 18, and in between 25 and 30. Okay, 25 and 30, it is 25 and 30, and 39 और 50 के बीच में क्या क्या आना है. So 39 और 50 के बीच में 41 and 42. So this will 41 and 42, and in between 50 and 58. So this is there are four elements. So what are those, 53, 54, 56 and 57, and right side of 58 is what, 59 and what, 59. Okay, and 60 is where it is, I think not 60. Yes, of course 60 is there, so no issue. So it is 59 and 60. Okay, so now if you observe that there is no problem, but anyhow underflow is there, and underflow is there in at this node, underflow. Okay, but it is what, it is exceptional, because it is what, root node. So root node may contain what, one element, so it is exceptional. So if you observe at any node, and degree is what, degree is 5, so maximum number of keys are 4, and minimum property is also satisfied, and also maximum number of children are 5, so it is okay. So now this is the correct. Okay, so this is the deletion part which we covered. So just see this question also. So the consider the following B tree. So it is M is the root node, and D, G, Q, T, A, C, and like this. So it is given. So basically this is like here, and this is in between, and this is after that. Okay, like this and this, and after this. Okay, so let me draw it once more. So it is M. Observe very carefully. It is M, and left side is what, left side is DG. So it is D comma G, and right side is what, right side is going to be QT. So it is QT, and left is what, AC, EF, HKL, AC, EF, HKL. So it is AC, EF, then it is HKL, and left of Q is what, NPRS, so it is NP and RS, and after T WXYZ, so it is WXY and Z. Now observe very carefully. Okay, what we are going to delete? So we are deleting H, for example, we are deleting H. So delete H. So H deletion, there is no problem. Okay, so it is also given that in this particular tree ki max keys are what? 2. So max keys are 2 means degree is what? Automatically degree is going to be 3, means 3 children's, and maximum keys are 2. So now observe here. So because after deletion of H, so there is no problem, because two elements are there, or 2 keys are there. Now if you delete what? T, so delete T after that. Say for example, second deletion is delete T. So if you delete T, so in that case what will happen? There is a what? There is a underflow. Okay, so at this node, underflow. Okay, so in case of underflow, what will happen? That W goes okay above, and all the remaining things are same. So finally you will get M, and left side is what? DG, and left is what? AC, and in between EF, and after that KL, H has gone, KL, and right side of that is what? Right side of that is Q, and W will come up, and left is what? NP, and in between what? R comma S, and right side is what? XYZ, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so this is the required tree, after deletion of H and T. So let us delete what? R also. Okay, so delete R, then see what will happen. Delete R. So as soon you delete what? R. So in case of deletion, so if you delete this R, say for example this you have deleted. Okay, so this R, so this got deleted. तो आर डिलीट हुआ तो क्या होगा? ये इमीडिएट सिबलिंग से देखेगा, यस, तो सिबलिंग के पास अवेलेबिलिटी है, तो क्या होगा इस केस में कि ये एक्स जो है, एक्स कहेगा ओके आई विल गिव, बट एक्स विल नॉट डायरेक्टली कम हियर, एक्स विल गो अपसाइड एंड डब्ल्यू विल कम हियर. ओके, सो टेक फ्रॉम सिबलिंग. सो इन दिस केस टेक फ्रॉम राइट सिबलिंग. ओके, सो राइट सिबलिंग के केस में क्या आ जाएगा हमारा? एम विल बी द रूट, एंड लेफ्ट इज व्हाट? DG and QX. Now it is DG and it is what? Q and X, and here is what? AC, and in between EF, and here H has gone, so KL, and left side is NP, so it is NP, and here R has gone, so it is S, and W comes down, so S and W, and right side is what? Y and Z. Okay, so this is the case after deletion of what? R. So let us suppose if you delete what? E also. Okay, from this E, so delete E. So if you delete E, तो E के केस में क्या होगा कि E is this, so this E gets deleted. तो यहाँ जब डिलीशन हुआ तो दिस विल आस्क फ्रॉम व्हाट? फ्रॉम सिबलिंग. तो सिबलिंग है ना, सिबलिंग के केस में क्या होगा? सिबलिंग इज नॉट देयर इन द पोजीशन टू गिव नादर लेफ्ट और नॉर राइट सिबलिंग. देन द लास्ट ऑप्शन इज व्हाट? लास्ट ऑप्शन इज मर्जिंग. तो ये मर्ज होगा इस केस में, तो है ना, तो इस केस में क्या होगा? नन ऑफ सिबलिंग्स कैन गिव, तो फाइनली मर्ज, तो मर्ज होगा. तो मर्ज के केस में क्या हो जाएगा कि M विल बी हियर ओनली, और यहाँ जब मर्ज हो जाएगा तो हियर G विल बी देयर. ओके, D यहाँ मर्ज हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ D मर्ज हुआ आपका, तो क्या आ जाएगा? इट विल बी A C, D and F, and right is what? Right is K and L, and M right is what? Q and X, and here N, P, and in between S and W, and right side is what? Y and Z. ओके नाउ बट द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट कि प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे अंडरफ्लो ऊपर भी हो गया है, ठीक है, कहाँ? जी पे, अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करें जी पे अंडरफ्लो। ओके, सो इन केस ऑफ अंडरफ्लो अगेन व्हाट विल हैपन कि दिस विल आस्क टू व्हाट फ्रॉम इट्स सिबलिंग, बट सिबलिंग इज नॉट आल्सो देयर इन द पोजीशन टू गिव, देन फाइनली व्हाट है ना, सो सिबलिंग आल्सो डोंट गिव है ना, तो sibling of G what can't give, so finally what combine, or other way of saying merge. So if you merge these all, so then what will happen in that case? GMQX, GMQX, so the final is what? GMQX, so this will be the root node, and left is what? ACDF, so it is what? ACDF, A, C, D and F, and between G and M, between G and M it is KL, so KL, and between M and Q, so M and Q is NP, and between Q and X, so it is SW, S and W, and after this is what? Y and Z. So this will be the final solution. Okay, so I hope that this is clear to you, है ना? So this is also very simple stuff. Now consider this. So this is again a tree given. So let me draw it once more. So JCF, J left is C and F, and right is MRU. So it is MRU, and left is ABDEGI, AB, then DE, and then G and I. Okay, and left is KL and P, KL and P, then ST, YZ, ST and Y and Z. Okay, so this is the given tree. Let us suppose we want to delete some value from this. So we want to delete C. Okay, so let us suppose we are deleting what? C. So just delete it, delete C. So what will happen in this case? If you delete C, so C has gone. Okay, and if it will take from what? Sibling. So sibling is there in the position to give. So what will happen in this case? Here it is what? Underflow. Here it is अंडरफ्लो। ओके, तो अंडरफ्लो के केस में क्या होगा यहाँ पे कि आपका सिबलिंग इज ऑल्सो है ना, सिबलिंग इज देयर, सो सिबलिंग के केस में क्या होगा? सिबलिंग विल गिव। ओके, सो दिस एम विल गो हेयर एंड दिस विल कम हेयर। तो क्या होगा फाइनली कि एम आपका बनेगा रूट नोड, वेरी सिंपल, ऑलवेज सिबलिंग विल गिव, है ना। अगर फाइनली सिबलिंग नहीं है तब फिर क्या होगा? मर्जिंग। तो यहाँ आपका क्या हो जाएगा? एफ और जे आ जाएगा, एफ एंड जे, एंड राइट साइड इज व्हाट? इट इज आर एंड यू, आर एंड यू। So left is what? A, B and D, E. So this will be in a single node, A, B, D and E, and in between G and I and after J, between M what, KL. So this KL will come here, K and L, and before R, N and P. Okay, before R, N and what, P, and between R and U, so it is S and T, and after U is what, Y and what, Z. So this is the final tree. Okay, after what, deletion of C. So I hope that this is clear to you. So again the same thing, means if you are deleting from a particular node, so then if there is an underflow, so then node will ask to its immediate siblings. If none of the if sibling is agree to give, or it is having enough number of keys, then the sibling will give. Otherwise combine will happen or merging will happen. Okay, so let us consider this. So this is also, I think this is the deletion question. So 19, 5 and 50. Let me draw it. 19, 5 and 50. So it is 19, 5 and 50. 19, 5 and what? 50. Okay. And left is what? 3, 8, 10. So it is 3, 8, 10. 3 and it is 8 and 10. And 40 and 80, so it is 40 and 80, and left is 1, 2 and 4. 1 comma 2, and this is what, 4, and before it is what, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. 6, 7, 9, and after that 11 and 12, and before 40, 35 and 45, so it is 35 and what, 45, and before and after 80, 60, 70, 90, 100. So it is 60, 70 and 90 and 100. So this is the given tree. Okay, so delete what, 35. So here we want to delete what, 35. So delete 35. Okay, so what will happen if you delete 35? Observe very carefully. So as soon you delete 35, so 35 is this one. So this node is on what, underflow. So sibling the sibling is also not there in the position to give. So finally merging will happen. So merging के case में क्या होगा कि 40 and 45 will be merged. So in that case 19 is here, and left is, there is no problem, 5, and left is what, 3. So left is what, 3 or 5, and again its left is 1 and 2, and the right side is 4, and this 5 right is what, 8 and 10, and left is what, 6, 7, and then 9, and then 11 and 12, and right side is what, right side is going to be 50, and left has gone because it has merged, so merging has happened. So after merging, what will be the solution? So after merging, and right side is what, right side is again 80 as it is. Okay, and left is what, 60 and 70, so it is 60 and 70, and right side is what, it is 90 and what, 90 and 100. Okay, so this remaining thing is what, 40 and 45. ये merge हो गया है, ठीक है. अब again problem क्या है, problem यहाँ underflow है, this place is, है ना, this node is gone underflow. So this will ask to what, immediate sibling. So immediate sibling is also not there in the position. तो फिर इस केस में क्या होगा, फिर इस केस में मर्जिंग होगी, तो मर्जिंग होगी तो ये 50 और 80 मर्ज होके कंबाइनली यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. सो नाउ इन दिस केस ऑल्सो व्हाट, मर्जिंग विल हैपन. तो इट इज 90, again I am drawing, it is 90, and this place will be left blank. Why? Because 50 will come here. So, and 50 and 80. So after this 50 and 80, and left is 40, 45. So it is 40 and 45, and the right side is what? 60, 70. So it is 60 and 70, and after 80, 90, 100. So it is 90 and 100. Okay, and the left side is same. So left side I think it is 5, and left is 3, 8, 10. So it is 3, 8, 10, and left is what? 12 and 1 and 2, 4. So 1, 2, 4. So it is 1, 2, and this is what? 4. And left of 8, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. So it is 6, 7, then here it is 9, then it is what? 11 and 12. Okay, now observe carefully. So this node here is what? This node is an underflow. Okay, so if this node is an underflow, so this will again ask from what? Ask from its sibling, but sibling is not there in the position to give. So finally what will happen? Finally combine or merging will happen. So merging will happen. So then 5 and 19 will get merged, and after that what will be the nodes? So those are 3. Okay, and after 3 it is 8 and 10, and right of 90 is what? It is 50 and 80. Okay, so then left of 3 is what? Left of 3 is 1 comma 2, and right of 3 is what? 4, and left of 8 is what? 6, 7. So it is 6, 7, and here in between 9, and after that 11, 12, and before 50 it is 40, 45. So 40 and 45, and in between 60 and 70. So 60 and 70, and after this is what? 90 and 100. So this is our final solution, है ना? So means simply we can say that that in case of what? Deletion. In case of deletion, keynote, very very important. So first, if underflow occurs, so then first point, ask from immediate siblings, if possible. Okay, and if siblings are not there in the position, to give, then finally what? Combine, or what other way of saying? Merge. Okay, so these are very important. This is very very important in case of what? In case of deletion. Okay, so I hope that this is clear to you. Finally we are at the end of this lecture. So we saw deletion from a B tree in this particular lecture, and if you are liking the content and following this, then please like, subscribe and share this channel with your learning community, so that others will also get benefited from the same. Happy learning to all of you. Stay safe.